Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? So if you just came across to this video, in this video we're going to be I'm going to walk you through actually how to make money with affiliate marketing by utilizing Digistore24 platform. Okay, so we're going to be utilizing this platform in order to make some affiliate commission, and this is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial. And when I say tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step until the end of the video. So by the end of this video, I hope you're going to be able to have your affiliate marketing campaign with Digistore24 up and running. Okay, so by the way, this is going to be 100% free tutorial. So Digistore is 100% free, and the traffic method that I'm about to reveal to you just a minute is also 100% free. There's no investment needed, there's no credit card information required or whatsoever, right? So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that you can get notified whenever I release my new video. So for your information, in this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And be sure to smash the like button as well, because it does help my algorithm, and then I can reach more people out there, right? So we're going to be utilizing Digistore24, especially for those of you who couldn't get access to clickbank.com. So Digistore24 affiliate marketing platform might be the second option for you, and it has a pretty dang much high quality product available on this platform as well, right? So I'm not really interested to talk about the categories here, because we are going to focus more on our traffic method, which is 100% free traffic method. And once you find what traffic that you want to what a niche that you want to focus on the traffic method that I'm about to reveal to you, and then you can go back to Digistore24 and find any related product that you can associate with the traffic method, right? So as you can tell, we're going to be utilizing TikTok. Okay, so as you can tell, TikTok is one of the largest. Okay, it's growing so fast, it's going so rapidly, and then we can actually utilize this platform for 100% free. And this is kind of like lower hanging fruit content, guys. So as you can tell, TikTok videos, it's more to videos, and then the videos is very easy to use. I'm going to reveal to you also the source of video, the source of content that you're going to be able to just simply copy and paste for literally free. There's no investment at all. Okay, so just take a look at daily TIMR here. Okay, so this is actually a page or a account that focus more to love quotes, or more to like a motivation quote and stuff like that. Let's take a look at this one. This is love fact, right? When you're truly in love with someone and blah blah blah, you easily get hurt over small and stupid things. All right, this is kind of content that you're going to be creating on TikTok. So as you can tell, just take a look each and every one of this video. This video alone got 8,000 views, this one 3,000 views, this one 15,000 views, guys. So what you need to do is you need to upload a bunch of similar content like that. And if you take a look at the content, it's literally like a simple video, couple of seconds running on the background, and then you can put the text like this on TikTok itself, right? So you're going to be able to edit a very simple text like this, animation tag on TikTok. And what you need to do is literally to find a free stock footage like this, which is I'm about to reveal to you as well. You can simply copy and paste. Okay, so literally what this channel or what this page is doing is like simply like that, right? Download from the free stock footage and then edit it back in TikTok. Okay, take a look. This one 16,000, this one 12,000. This is a very lower hanging fruit content. So I'm pretty sure everyone can do it, even though you are beginner. So no matter how downright suck you in marketing, if as long as you can use the internet and TikTok, you will be able to do this, right? So this is one, and take a look at other pages. This one has almost 1 million followers, guys. This is insane, right? So as you can see, love facts, right? Psychological fact, girl fact. And what you need to do is it's literally depend on you what type of niche that you want to focus, right? So for example, you want to focus on love, a relationship, you can then go to Digistore24 and go to dating and dating, love, and relationships, and you're going to be able to find bunch of product. Like for example, this one over here is going to pay you up to $50 per commission, guys. So that is insane amount of commission. And in fact, if your customer go through the funnel, you're going to be able to make up to $180 per customer. Okay, So what you need to literally do is you need to have a bunch of targeted traffic. This is type of targeted traffic. Okay, so what you need to do is simply upload like the quote, the video, and then keep on posting on your TikTok account. So it is not only that. For example, this is more to relationship niche. So let's take a look at manifestation here. So this page here has 300,000. So let's take a look at each and every one of this video. This one 16,000, right? So this one 4,000, 40,000, 6,000. So what this channel literally do is simply take the free footage and then run it in the background, and then simply upload it back on TikTok and do some simple editing, right? So there actually so many more, guys. So if you type in on TikTok like law of attraction, okay, press enter, and then you're gonna be able to see bunch of other pages that doing the exact same thing, right? So this one 150k, this one 26, 35, 31, 31. So can you imagine how much money that you could possibly make by only doing the simple, you know, the lower hanging fruit content? You don't even need to shoot all this video by your own, but instead just simply copy and paste. And now I'm going to reveal to you where you can get the traffic and how you're going to be able to get all these type of facts, all these type of text, right? You don't even need to think on your own, because you can simply doing it by copy and paste. But guys, if you're excited and if you want to discover the two websites that I'm going to reveal to you, be sure to smash the like button, guys, because it does help my algorithm, and I can know that you love this type of content, and then I can produce more content similar to this content in the future, right? So without further ado, let's dive right into our page. Okay, so the website is called pixel.com. So head off to pixel.com, and then you're going to be able to get joined. This is 100% free. There's no investment needed at all. Okay, so what I need to do is just take a look at, just copy this model of what people are doing right now. All right, for example, like maybe you want to do like this one, or maybe you can type in like C, for example. Okay, type in C, and then just okay, so you can see bunch of C videos, right? So what you need to do next is simply tap on the videos tab here, and then you're going to sort by C. So all of the videos available here is related to C, right? So just take a look at this one, for example. So just going to click play real quick. Let's take a look at this one. As you can see, 231,000 views already. I'm going to click play. So it is as simple as that. What you need to do, simply click free download, and then it's going to download automatically to your computer. And then what you need to do next is go back to your TikTok account and upload it back. Okay, so as simple as that. And now what you need to do is you need to have all this code. It is very, very simple. Head off to Google and type in, for example, like love quotes, right? So I'm going to type love quotes, and then you're going to be able to see bunch of love quotes available on Google. All right, so what you need to do is just literally copy and paste, right? So what do I mean by copy and paste? Of course, you'll not be able to copy and paste. What you need to do is go to TikTok and take a look at all this quote over here, and then retype it back on TikTok and do like this one, right? So you need to have some sort of a bold title on top of your account, on top of your videos, and then just type in like love fact, or maybe a girl fact, men facts. So it is totally depending on the product that you want to sell, right? Same goes with manifestation magic. If you are in this niche, so what you need to do is go to the Google and then type in maybe money manifestation quote, right? So maybe money manifestation quote, or maybe manifestation quote itself, and then you're going to be able to see bunch of the quotes. All right, so what you need to do is simply re-upload the video, anything that related to manifestation, and then doing some editing, some simple, very, very simple editing on TikTok. Okay, so as you can see, it has a bunch of spiritual product as well in Digistore24 that you can find from. Okay, so you can promote all this offer that available here, and then make a commission with Digistore24. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to have some sort of clickbank. You need to have some sort of link on your page. Okay, so don't do like this, because you're going to lose a lot of money on the table, guys. You kind of like leave a lot of money on the table, because it doesn't have any, you know, call to action that people need to do, because those people who are consuming your content, they might be interested to learn more about it, right? So you need to have some sort of link, or you know, maybe you want to lead email list or whatever, or you want to promote your affiliate offer from Digistore24. You need to have something that can lead them to the next page. Okay, what you need to do is go to Digistore, right? So for example, like maybe this is more to love, so I'm going to grab my affiliate link here from Digistore. Okay, so go to dating, love and relationship, and then simply click copy here. And then what you need to do is you need to go to bit.ly to kind of like shorten your link. So for your information, this site is actually a shortened URL site, whereby you can shorten your ugly, so long URL in this platform, and then simply click create, right? So what you need to do is simply copy here and then go back to your page, right? I mean your page, your TikTok page, and then simply put it here. So that is number one, right? So I'm afraid you're gonna get banned, and if you want to take any risk, what you need to do is you need to have some sort of landing page first. So instead of drive them directly to your affiliate vendor page here, what you need to do is you need to have some sort of landing page. So you can do it by Linktree. Okay, type in on Google Linktree, and then go here .ee. Okay, so this is a very useful and very beginner friendly landing page. What you need to do is just simply log in. So I have signed up with this site. Is 100% free. There's no investment needed as well. So what we need to do is I'm going to sign in first. And then what you need to do is you need to, of course, grab your affiliate link from the Digistore24, and then go back to Linktree and simply add new link over here. So I'm going to walk you through real quick how to do it. Then what you need to do is I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. You see the URL here. I'm going to click paste. Okay, so for the title, so you can either, this one is from bit.ly, you can either take from the bit.ly or directly copy from the Digistore24, and then you can also paste it here. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. All right, okay, here you go. So what I'm going to do next is, wait, I'm going to delete this one first. Okay, I don't know why it says like unsafe URL, or maybe I just simply copy from the bit.ly and then re-edit it back. So I'm going to paste it there. Okay, cool. So I'm going to, maybe for the sake of this example, I'm going to delete this one first. Okay, so click delete, and then I'm going to click delete. So this is my previous product actually. So you need to have some sort of grabbing attention title. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to go to the affiliate page, so which is the vendor page. So I'm going to open. We kind of like wanted to find a very compelling headline or any text that we can put on our link, because we wanted to have people click on that, and we need to have some sort of very grabbing attention headlines. All right, so for example, like it is something he craves. All right, I think this is good. Right, I'm going to click copy and then go back to my link tree and put it as a title. All right, so this is just for the sake of example, and if you have some a good idea, I highly recommend you to put on your idea. So related to, of course, you need to relate it to the product that you are promoting. All right, so it is something he craves more than love, more than money, and even more than sex. All right, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so the only reason why we need to put all these things is because we want people to click on it. All right, so maybe you can put some sort of call to action, like click here to learn more. Okay, so let's take a look whether it is going to turn out like that. All right, cool. So click here to learn more. So that's basically what it is. And then what you need to do is you need to copy this link and then go back to your TikTok page and then simply paste it on your TikTok, right? So now instead of having your direct linking affiliate link, what you do is instead direct them to the Linktree page first, which is your landing page, and then your possibility to get banned from TikTok is much more lower, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So guys, that's all on how to make money with affiliate marketing platform Digistore24 for beginners, and I hope you get some value throughout this sharing. What you need to do is you need to be consistent, keep on uploading. I highly recommend you to upload like 2 or a couple of videos a day in order to start to get traction on a TikTok. Okay, successful is all about consistent, so you need to be consistent in order to get much viewers like all these pages has. Okay, so guys, that's all. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification, and don't forget to smash the like button if you could find some value throughout this sharing. Okay guys, so guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.